Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new foundation that I don't think I've ever tried. So first thing we're going to do is apply a couple of drops of skincare just to prep the skin so the foundation glides on a bit better. Okay, so let's give it a shake and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to use medium 1.2. And I can't remember ever using this, but I'm a big fan of NARS foundations. I'm going to take a drop because I don't know what coverage it's going to provide on the skin. So I'd rather be cautious. And then we'll blend this in. Now this is supposed to give a soft matte finish to the skin, and I can see instantly that that is what it's doing. This is a matte foundation, no doubt, so the name is accurate. Blend this side. So I only used a really small dot, and I can tell from my skin that this is more than enough. Those of you with oily skin will probably absolutely love this. Just getting off anything on the back of my hand, just to blend onto the nose and around the nostrils. Now I used an emollient serum prior to this, so there is still some light reflection going on, but this is a matte foundation. There are so many foundations on the market and a lot of them are very shiny, and a lot of makeup is very shiny and everything becomes quite extreme. I really like this finish. I think it's really nice. Let me apply a tiny bit of color to the cheeks just so you can see it in more realistic terms. Okay, so I've just applied a small amount of blush, and this one I used a liquid because we've got this matte base, so I wanted there to be a bit more realistic skin effect on the skin, and this is the final result. I think this is a great foundation. I'm really impressed with it. It's matte. It doesn't feel tight on the skin either, which a lot of matte foundations can do, and this doesn't feel that at all. You also get 45 mils of product, which is amazing value. There you go. Tell me your thoughts, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye-bye.